Consumer Reports just flipped the SUV market on its head. 4 SUVs earned scores so high they broke every rule dealers want you to believe, and the top-rated model, almost nobody saw it coming. Here's the real twist. Several of these vehicles are rarely pushed on dealership lots, not because they're bad, but because they don't make dealers the most profit. Some are so reliable they quietly cost the industry billions in lost repairs. We're counting down from number 4 to number 1, and each pick gets more uncomfortable for automakers. You'll understand why technicians and engineers are buying these SUVs for themselves, off the record. And the number 1 SUV, it didn't just win. It exposed how much the average buyer overpays simply by trusting the wrong advice. Number 4, Highlander hybrid Toyota didn't chase new tech here. They doubled down on what already worked. The Highlander hybrid scored an 81 for predicted reliability from Consumer Reports, and the reason is almost boring. Its hybrid system is based on a design that's been around for over a decade. Instead of reinventing it, Toyota refined it again and again. Millions of real-world miles exposed every weakness, then eliminated them. That's why this 3-row SUV can seat up to 8 people and still deliver 36 miles per gallon combined. Those numbers sound wrong, but Toyota's planetary gear system blends gas and electric power with almost no wasted energy. Now the part dealers won't emphasize. The hybrid costs about $8,000 more than the standard Highlander. You'll be told the fuel savings won't justify it. What they leave out is the 98% long-term battery reliability, 22% higher resale value, and a lower total cost of ownership, about $4,200 less over 5 years. Demand is so high, there's often a year-long wait, which leads to a common bait-and-switch toward non-hybrids. Don't take it. Inside, it's practical, not flashy. Physical buttons, simple controls, fewer failure points. Owners routinely pass 300,000 miles with minimal issues. The only real downside, a tight third row, chosen intentionally for cargo space and improved crash protection. Boring? Yes. Brilliant? Absolutely. Number 3, Subaru Crosstrek. The Subaru Crosstrek, a small SUV that punches far above its weight. In the subcompact category, few vehicles offer this mix of capability and value. Consumer Reports gives the Crosstrek an 82 predicted reliability score, and its hardware explains why. With 8.7 inches of ground clearance and standard all-wheel drive, it can handle rough roads and light trails that stop many larger crossovers. That's a big reason younger buyers gravitate toward it. It supports an active lifestyle without crushing monthly payments. Its compact footprint makes city driving and tight parking easy, yet on weekends it's perfectly comfortable heading to trailheads or campsites. Inside, Subaru uses space efficiently. The front seats are supportive for long drives, the rear seats are usable for shorter trips, and the cargo area easily handles groceries, sports gear, or camping equipment. The dashboard is dominated by an 11.6-inch vertical touchscreen with clear navigation, smartphone integration, and Subaru Starlink services for emergency assistance and vehicle monitoring. Fuel economy comes in around 33 miles per gallon on the highway. Impressive for an AWD vehicle with real ground clearance. Power from the base engine is sufficient, though passing on 2-lane roads requires some patience. Safety remains a strong point, with standard eyesight features like adaptive cruise control, automatic emergency braking, and lane departure alerts. The Crosstrek delivers efficiency and versatility, but for some buyers, even better fuel savings may still be the next priority. Number 2, Mazda CX-50. The Mazda CX-50 is proving a lot of people wrong. Many assume Mazda can't compete with the biggest names in the SUV world, but the data says otherwise. The CX-50 just scored 71 for reliability from Consumer Reports. And surprisingly, it's built in Alabama, not Japan. What really sets it apart is what Mazda did under the hood. They refined their Skyactiv engine using ultra-precise manufacturing techniques inspired by luxury watchmaking. Components are measured to tolerances most automakers wouldn't even try. The result? 0 catastrophic engine failures, 0 transmission replacements, and 0 major electrical issues reported in the first year. While many modern SUVs rely on excessive tech that often breaks, Mazda went the opposite direction. No oversized touchscreens dominating the dash, no paid subscriptions for basic features, no risky over-the-air updates. The focus was simple: long-term durability. Owners report something unusual. The CX-50 actually feels more solid after 30,000 miles. Panel gaps stay tight, doors sound the same, and there are no rattles. Inside, Mazda avoided cheap plastics, using stitched surfaces and multiple layers of sound insulation. At 68 decibels at 70 miles per hour, cabin noise rivals luxury sedans. The predictive all-wheel drive system actively reads road conditions hundreds of times per second, sending power before traction is lost. Drivers in real mountain snow say it outperforms SUVs costing twice as much. Most telling of all, mechanics say CX-50s come in only for routine service. No warning lights, no glitches, just maintenance. For a new platform, that's almost unheard of. Number 1. Toyota RAV4 Prime. The Toyota RAV4 Prime. Consumer Reports gave it a 84 reliability score. What makes this shocking is what it actually is: a plug-in hybrid family SUV that launches from 0 to 60 in 5.5 seconds, produces 302 horsepower, and still delivers up to 94 miles per gallon equivalent in electric driving. That combination simply shouldn't coexist. Demand exploded because Toyota accidentally built the perfect bridge between gas and electric. It offers 42 miles of pure EV range for daily driving, then switches seamlessly to hybrid mode for long trips, delivering nearly 600 miles of total range. It can even supply 1,500 watts of power, letting owners run essentials during outages. The electric all-wheel drive system skips mechanical complexity, using a rear electric motor for instant traction and control. Despite weighing more than a standard RAV4, it handles better thanks to its low-mounted battery. There are downsides. Supply is limited, wait lists stretch past a year, and dealer markups are common. The interior is basic, and charging is slow without a Level 2 setup, but owners don't care. Consumer Reports found 97% satisfaction, helped by fuel savings of roughly $3,000 per year and available tax incentives that drop the real price close to mainstream competitors. The RAV4 Prime isn't flashy, it's near perfect because it works and keeps working.